There's so many stuff, right? There's so many stuff. We have LGBTQ movement, we have abortion, but then there's some really important stuff they're not talking about. Here we go. Number one is the women and children first and women and children priority in the court. I'm not okay with this. I'm definitely not okay with it. You know why? What about my mans? What about my hardworking mans? What about my 85 years old mans? I cannot just let them behind. Over. Number two, they're not talking about the indirect war, the proxy war. They're not talking about proxy war in anybody. Anybody can do proxy war and all that stuff. They're not talking about that. Proxy war, which lead into another thing, is called the war of accusation and allegations. These two things are like, my goodness. I think a lot of children and a lot of newcomers, the newbies, they learn this word from the news. Like, yo, what is accusation? Like, I had to really search it. Like, what is accusation? Then next thing you know, you're the one who's dealing with accusation on your own life, Accusation. This is another thing. So if they would have come up with a law that if anybody accuse anybody for no reason, if I can accuse you too, I can just go up and start accusing, like, yo, you accuse of like that. It could be instant tickets, like you'll get like some sort of ticket, like, yo, why are you accusing people for no reason? And manager, this is why managers always keep a woman secretary for situation like that, because if there was all guys, there could be a problem. So they start using women, and because using babies always works on the court system all of a sudden. So now my men are getting hurt. Who gonna have to fix this? The guy next to me. Over. And then last one is this one. This is another problems, big problems. This one goes like this. The problems with men cannot be doing girly stuff. A straight man, an alpha male or sigma male, a guy can have a 999 wife or girlfriend or boyfriend, girlfriend, or you can be taking care of your woman, you can be building a family. You could be an engineer, and you cannot all of a sudden show off like, yo, I watch iCarly or I watch Nickelodeon. Even a law firm cannot say, hey, we're the country's #1 law firm, we watch Nickelodeon. You cannot do that, but a girl can do that. That's a problem, okay? That needs to be fixed. And I don't know how come no men are protesting about this at all. Like, this is a serious problem. How in the world you don't protest about this? Like, that is the #1 issue. Everything else should be last. This is the #1 issues right there. Like, think about it. This is why I had to build a Barbie PC,